What is up, guys? Yo, what is up, guys? Ben here. Welcome back to another video. So today we're just gonna look at my Instagram, just like see what's new and all that. So wow, Forever is finally drinking too. Oh my god, so funny. What's this one? Yours releases like parkour things. Just fine. Subscribe. Whoa. Pikachu! Yay! Oh! Parkour! Oh! Anyway, so Marcus so I don't care. Shout out to him with my best brother ever. Harry Freud. Okay. Like all my pictures for a shout out. Nope. Wow. Yeah, I follow bits like COD and stuff. If you got any more, no. Let's go to the top, refresh page. I don't want that, so not now. Wow. And let's look at this.
Just posted a new picture on Instagram. As always, I'm following people back that...
I'm always gonna do this. Oh, that's cool. Wow.
Just posted a new...
Okay, so next. No, first. I'm just gonna go through them for you guys. Just gonna go through them. I don't care. Right, you know I'm gonna do this. Unfollow. He's just literally just weird. I don't know why. Actually, I don't even know why my account is on even free private. So whatever you call it. So to do it private. Okay. Go. Right. Let's look at my ones. You know. It takes ages to load. Come on. Wow, I like that picture. Bam. Oh yeah, I remember this. I actually hit a shot on the first one. I don't know what. It's on Black Ops 3 as well, so... That one's rubbish. Look at that. Look at that. Look, this is so sweet. How about this? It's a tongue twister. And the actual thing, how about this? You're my hero, thanks for everything. So kind. Let's scroll down a bit more.